Okay. It's fine now. Okay. Good morning and welcome back to the channel, everyone. First of all, my dear friends, how many of you were with me yesterday? How many of you? Yesterday in the stream, I gave this 1600 pips worth of a setup. And just see, my friend. Beautiful, nice, fantastic. And not just uh, in the live stream yesterday, I shared this. After 4 months, I took this beautiful opportunity on the gold, and I'm so much feeling happy for this. Yesterday I shared it with all of you, and yes, this is what it is. So this is that trade. Now this is not that much difficult. Okay, we need some understandings. Okay, we need to understand this market. If we don't understand the trend, for example, if I don't understand this trend, how do I know this market is going to go where? How do I know? These are the things which we need to keep in our mind and which we need to be disciplined for. Then we will be making very nice profits. By nice profits, I doesn't mean like just a salary. Handsome profits we will be able to make. Discipline comes first. So this is that discipline. And see, I also want to tell all of you this thing. When I didn't see or I didn't understood the structure of gold, I said I am shifting my direction to another instrument. So that is obviously part of the strategy, because when you trade with a particular strategy, like for example, pick any strategy out there which is, when we trade with it, we know its exact pros and cons. With this strategy, we get everything from stop loss to take profit to... But the thing is, we need to know that when we don't need to trade or touch this particular instrument. This is also very much important. So anyways, we will be talking about it in today's session as well. Okay, my system is very simple. It is way too simple, not complicated at all. So again, my friends, congratulations. Okay, see, when you listen to me, you will be making profits as this. But when you don't listen to me, obviously that will mean that you are like messing up the things, adding something from somewhere else. Most traders then combine different things together. I will highly recommend my followers to stop doing it, because that road leads to failure. Nowhere else, just the failure. So this gold US dollar trade yesterday I gave, okay, even right here, see, a beginner trader would, let's say, first think that okay, I don't like, even if I want to add a buy right here or not. Different mistakes people will be doing right here. Number one is, first is, no one will be buying right here. No one. Majority of them will be selling. Okay. Why selling? Because look at this one. Today's session is going to be super beneficial, important, full of education. So I highly recommend all of you to stay with me, and just give me one moment. I will be right back. So everywhere will be the profits, my friends, but for that one must has to decide that okay, we are following one system, just one system, nothing else. We don't need further things, we just need trend line system and our proper discipline, nothing else. So I will be looking at gold. 4754.841 was my level that got hit. Okay, a nice one. This is not the right one, this is the right one. Opportunity. When most traders were selling right here on the basis of resistance, I gave a call for a buy that got approximately 1600 pips up. And even I explained yesterday, for the time stamps you can look at 18 minutes, fast forward the yesterday's stream to 18 minutes, and then you will see this setup that I gave. Okay, let me quickly run some checks right here. Make sure to give me your feedback on this strategy in the recorded videos as well and in the live streams as well. So yes, this is now gold. Okay, further, let's say what we need to do. This is no doubt an area where the bulls will be struggling, but you know my nature, I just don't blindly enter into trades. So we have a lot of the NY sessions left. A lot of the stuff can happen, maybe some scalping can happen. So for that I am trying to find out this level. So let's wait for the price to come back down to 4700. Okay, then we see okay what we need to do, especially today. Okay, especially today, if one want to trade, we have to see it right here. Okay, now it can do it in a pattern and then come back down, and it can go up and continue back up and never come back down till here. Okay, so that's not a problem for me. The main concern for me is I want to see this particular M15 bullish trend right here that I have, and try to Do this trend line study yourself as well. See, by the time market will be dropping till here, it will be struggling near this particular trend line. So yes, a good buying can be planned as well, or a break below, then a good selling. But since market is on a bullish trend, so the first attempt will be from the bulls right here. So maybe on a scalping, let's see if I can grab something. The journey will be in front of you. Let me quickly check your comments if there is any, so then I go further and proceed. Remember, in these streams I come right here with a pure intention to transfer this strategy to your minds so that you understand, you learn, and then you make profits for yourself, and then you keep me in your prayers. Very beautiful market this is at this particular moment. Side by side we are getting 1 2 3 around 4 candles coming back down, approaching 4703.50. I'm not in a scalping mood, otherwise I can scalp something right here, which I don't recommend at all to anyone watching me right now. And yes, here is a little disclaimer as well. Thank God I remember. Yes, here it is. So yes, this program is for educational purposes. Okay, my intention is to let you guys learn this strategy. So then I will be switching to the euro US dollar. Side by side we will be looking gold, we will be looking euro dollar, all of them step by step. No rush, no hurry, with proper patience. My friends, euro US dollar has created a sort of bottom, I should say, and on the basis of this bottom, like I mean, we can see different stuff right here that will be happening on the basis of this. Then an important part, and that is how patterns are formed, how we trade patterns professionally and make good profits out of it. Everything is part of my strategy. Everything I will be sharing with you right here in these live streams. And I think I'm speaking too much fast. So let me get back down to my original state a little bit, okay? See, my friends, this is not 1 day, this is not 2 day, this is not 3 day. A day or two stuff is gone. This is like personally uploading the weekly forex forecast videos. Personally, I still think that now is that time gone for the weekly forecast and that 15-minute video which is going to be bringing a change in our life. Now, my friend, now on the euro US dollar, if I show you, I recorded pretty much good videos on this particular. See, on the basis of this particular trend line, have a look at it. On the top of this trend line we have got level established. Then I gave you this trade, then I gave you that trade, then I gave you this trade. All videos are present on my channel, okay, and I properly explained them since the start of the year. Yes, so you guys made plenty of profit on it. Why you made plenty of profits on it? What is this? Oh, this is RSI. I want to hide it. Okay, it's fine now. So by the time, obviously, we will be looking for this breakout, then a retest, then a continuation. Okay. So euro, dollar, gold are simple. dollar index, if I see, well, nicely sustained above and nicely holding this bullish trend line, but the thing is maybe these other instruments are falling, like the euro is falling. See, euro is dropping. Now it has changed its a direction, but my friends, on a daily time frame, if this level is broken, then my strategy suggests a very good drop back till 61.8% retracement till here. How much time does that take? It's up to the market. Let me give you an example. On the euro US dollar, what happened right here? Here. What example I gave? Yes, this example, sorry. In October, not here, here. When market was right here on 3rd October, I do a live stream and I said, be careful everyone, this market is dropping. And then see how much it dropped. Back till here, created the pattern and then giving us those setups. Now, my friends, this is the powerful strategy. From there, we took a sell, nicely closed, nicely set into a buy. Isn't it a good strategy? For reference, check the weekly Forex forecast video. Because weekly Forex forecast video, I discuss these things. Now most traders don't understand these things and they keep lose money. Yes, they keep lose money. There are traders who I know, they don't enjoy their lives. They wake up in the morning, have a phone in his hand and doing nothing the whole day. Just watching that person, this person, this person, this person. If Forex is done this way, everyone would be doing it this way. And every time whenever a beginner come to me, I say one thing, my dear, never ever be into a rush. How do like there is no magic by how to increase patience. So it means, for example, if you are an impatient person, you start spending time with a person who has a lot of patience, who has a lot of experience. You have lack of knowledge about the market structure. Try to start spending time with that person. You will be automatically peaceful, patience, and taking this as a real business, not here and there stuff. Anyways, let's go further. And what is the trap right here? Look at this trend. This is that trap. Okay, how many traders are trapped near this trend line? How many? Just imagine. If the trend line works, then why people lost money right here? Because of the direction, because of the study of these channels right here to this side of the market, or like what? Like these channels, let's say, did something wrong by identifying these channels? What they did, what so special happened that this trend line did not behave nicely? Even right here as well, both ways it did not work nicely. Why it did not work nicely right here? This is then also a question which we will be trying to find out a knowledge. question. So we will need to gain knowledge to identify what level is working, what level is not working. These are, my friends, not blind things, okay? Now, if one think he will just be following others and will make money, now, my friend. Just by following people and copying them, no. If you want to copy someone, try to copy his patience. Okay, how much patience, how with what emotions that person deals the market. Then we understand the real worth of this market, that how beautiful this market is and how much profits it can give us. So whatever, like anyone who is watching me right now, you guys are very lucky. In our times such information was not available to us. You guys are lucky, you can become a good trader in 3 months. Yes, first 1 week, 2 weeks you will get the strategy, the trend line strategy. Simple 7 steps, 7 pillars part I have. Simple. And then you will be trading with it. These different time frames and different things, when I explain them on my channel, doesn't mean that my strategy is complicated. That is practice going on. Don't confuse it with the strategy that Aftab will have such a hi-fi and such a complicated strategy. See this? Nah, my friend. My strategy is very simple. Okay, that is very simple. These time frames, these different trends, this is all practice going on. Because without practice we are nothing. Anyways, let's go further. Let's go further. If you have any questions or anything, you are most welcome. So, beautiful trade opportunity this is, my friends. On the GBPUSD, if I tell you, maybe a correction till here is possible. Okay, but since this is, we will need to see some H4 stuff as well right here. And well, yes, as per the H4, see, this is my Fibonacci number as this. I don't have to do anything else. I will just do it as this, and then I will do it as this. Okay, and then I will wait for a correction back down to this 23.6, and I will see that, okay, is this a Fibonacci 61.8% number? Well, yes, approximately this level is. So from here I will be adding a buy position. Right now I'm doing nothing, and even that buy position will have a stop loss below this zone, which is safe, and a take profit right here. This is my planning that I usually do, but people don't understand it. Strategy is something that is this. Just have a look at it, and I will be patiently waiting for it. Now, my friend, I ask you one thing. If I have this beautiful strategy which tells me to wait for the market, if I have this beautiful level from where I think when the market drop till here, I will be making this profit for sure, guaranteed 200 pips. So when I am 99% sure, then taking risk for me is fairly very easy. Okay, it's easy because it's up to the probabilities. In forex markets there are probabilities. Let's see how much time I have. I have spent how much time? Let's see. Okay, just wait. No warning from the YouTube side today, luckily, but I just want to see how much time I spent. Side by side I will be looking at that gold as well. Okay, gold, because gold I have a plan running right here. I want to see it right here. Where was that plan? I just discussed it with you. Right here. I'm waiting for it because I can see maybe a good intraday trade worth around maybe from right here. Around how much? This is 355, around 500 pips of a zone it is. So if it is this much big, then we will be looking at it on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute it has gone. As soon as it break above this level, then it is gone. Further, the sellers are taking it as a sell, but I'm not recommending it for a sell at this stage. Okay, big moves are coming right here. Let's see 5 minute as well. Do you remember in December when I used to live trade? I grew $1,000 of an account to 1350 from 11th November till 24th December. This is what I say is then the strategy. Thank you, Yimari Yizinanu. Thank you so much. Yes, this is euro, dollar, and gold. This is euro, dollar, and gold. Crypto, let's see as well. BTC. Now, you will remember in October I stopped trading BTC. Why? Because it was expected. It was expected, okay? It was expected. See this bigger correction from 2022. This correction has no Fibonacci as of now. This 2022, you know, when it dropped till 16,000. So after that, no, like it just continue bullish to there, and then from there it dropped till here. See, so in simple words, on a weekly basis, an impulsive leg, a correction, see, drop this, and now do it this. Now you will understand nicely. And an exact 61.8% retracement. Now there is a likely chance that the market will be approaching back which level? This level. And now this is my analysis for the rest of the time. Unless price is above this and below this, it will be there. This is my strategy, my friends. Now selling obviously doesn't make any sense, and on the daily time frame it is ranging. It is also ranging, plus it is also doing something that it should not be doing. But I think still for a very short term, I think we will need to see the break of this trend that it has established from October. Okay, because from October it is dropping. See, from October it is dropping. And where is the previous trend all the way from right here till there? Yes, nice. Trend line study of this I will bring later. Well, I assume maybe as far as the price is above this, it's the right time to have some risk. Okay, so even if I can if I can purchase one Bitcoin spot, still that is good for me. This is the right time, and the right time not because it will not be hitting the stop loss. If it hits the stop loss is very less. This is for people like who want to take a risk of 0.2 0.2 Bitcoin right here and try to target around 4 or 5 Bitcoins. So where is 0.2 and where is 4 5 Bitcoins? This is that type of an entry to those people. Let's get back to gold and see. I'm in full mood for scalping today, okay? This trade, it made my mood, my friends, literally. And even I just don't want to trade now, but for you I came live right here. See this one, because I see if something is working very nicely, I should attract others to this working thing. This is like what I want. This is what I want. Let's see. See why I was not buying right here? And even if I'm selling properly, proper selling should start below 4700. Yes. So literally everyone is waiting for 4703 approximately. And there is an ABCD study right here as well. This one. This, which tells us that the market is going to drop back to 4715. The precise level is 4715. This here it will be having some reaction from the bull side. So I mean, like, easily one can make around 180 pips or 200 pips on this one as a bull. So yes, let's patiently wait for it and let's see what it gives us further. Nicely dropping. I mean, literally very nicely dropping. This is the power of this strategy. Initial reaction 47.15, and 47.15 can throw the price back to 47.30 approximately. Let's see. Let's see Forex Factory a little bit as well. So today we have nothing, right? We have nothing. Today we have nothing. Oh, wait. It's Wednesday, so we have ISM manufacturing PMI at 7 p.m. So in 8 minutes and 1 hour, 1 hour and 8 minutes. And then at 5:30 we had news for retail sales, core retail sales, and ADP non-farm employment change, which came good for the dollar, all of them. So well, if that is the case, then this is reaction is definitely because that's good for the dollar. But even apart from the fundamental activity, the strategy perspective, which says a move down, a correction up, a sell near 61.8% retracement. See, this is that strategy. Try to avoid your emotions, okay? Avoid your emotions. You will be safe forever. So till now so far I discussed the dollar index, the euro, the GBP, and the gold. Rest I will be explaining them as well. Again, let's see a little bit this gold thing because it's dropping. So let's see if I can catch some sort of a buy. Well, those who are buying from right here have this much of a stop loss and this much of a take profit, which I think is not very ideal. Okay, but if it start to consolidate right here, then I will say yes, this is a good place for buying. Okay, so let's wait for it. Let's see when price drops till here, how it will be, how I will be trading, what type of a pattern I will be looking. Everything will be in front of us, everything, and you guys can make plenty of profits as well, plenty of profits with the trend lines. And this is such a strategy, even if you tell it to others, the more people start copying it, the better it will be working. This is one other thing that is true. Just one moment, okay? Wow, it's dropping. Let's see it right here first. Okay, no immediate entry. Immediate will be for scalping. Okay, scalpers can make around from this zone around, yes, around 200 pips even for scalping as well. But I mean 100, 200, like 100 pips this level should easily give. Let's see. We don't know. If it is a strong sharp candle, then we are doing nothing. Okay, let's zoom in on this candle so that we understand that okay, what it is going to do further. My friends, this is market. Those who trade with blind perspectives, their eyes are closed, they don't understand anything. And I say, my friend, if you are taking a risk, why don't you take that risk at a good place? Okay, try to imagine you, like our teacher used to tell us that we should imagine ourselves as a successful people, and we automatically, by just imagining, our actions, our thoughts, our habits automatically will be built in such a way that we will be becoming successful on the path of success. If you really want to take full fun of life, you have to be disciplined in real life as well, in forex as well. And most people do the reverse of it as well. Most people do what? They are like emotional in trading but flat in the real life. I say don't be emotional in the forex market. Use your emotions in your real life. Then it will be fun. Nice drop. 47.15 is the level. Learn these things. And one thing I want to tell all of you is make sure to like the stream right now. This is a little fee I will be charging you, and I'm not going anywhere. Okay, every day I will be coming and I will be giving this mentorship free of cost to all of you. I'm not charging it anything, and soon I will be switching to the MetaTrader 4 where I will be executing those other euro dollar trades as well there. So it's a proper journey together, it will be, hopefully. If you guys give me likes, if you share this stream with those who need it, okay? This stream is for those people who really and who actually need it and who actually want to become good traders. Those who don't want to become good traders, there are a lot of the streams even right now running open. People are gambling over there, okay? Don't be a gambler. Okay, another drop, another drop. Let's see if we can see some stop right here. It continues straight down. Till at this stage, I'm not doing anything. I'm not a crazy person. Properly waiting for it, and I think the bulls already took that cream of it. See, near this level, the bulls were already waiting. Wow, 83 pips immediately. Side by side, I will be looking those other pairs as well, but first let's see this gold. Nicely trading, nicely. Nice drop was expected during the stream today. So the trend line study, if I tell you in simple words, see, even if you were not in the live stream, you could easily say that this is a bullish trend. It got broken right here, and this same place, this same broken place is the entry, and that's the entry. Even if you don't come to my stream, and this is my strategy. Market come back down from a trend line, go back up, retest, sell. Simple. Why I am trying to take a buy right here? Because of this trend line. See, everywhere there will be trends. This. But one thing I would definitely say is that the previous H1 candle is bearish engulfing, so buying right here I don't advise for now. Sell is completely confirmed. Let's see. Completed. This range is finally completed. And yes, here we go. Executed. 200 pips it has to give us. On this pin bar. And this is, my friends, that strategy which I said, that let the market come back down, hit it, and boom. If I talk about the risk to reward ratio is 1.64 for this one. If I, like these days, risk to reward even on gold will be as this, and during this time it can come back down for a double bottom and stop me out. That is also possible. Okay, why I am leaving this position, my take profit is right here. Those of you who have problems setting your take profit, because look at this trend line, simple, and just look at this place, simple. This is the successful strategy, and this is all in front of you, trend lines. Any questions in this? And this one can obviously continue slightly higher to 61.8 as well. Okay, but for now the nice one take profit is this. Anything else is left, or did I communicated everything? So we will wait for this particular trade. If it go nicely, and this is the only trade I am taking today right here. Then one trade I will be taking right here as well, and I can drag it further to get maximum profit from this one. So let's see on the 1 minute. Let's zoom the chart. Everything I have explained. Okay, so later, see, no moving averages, no RSI, nothing, pure technical structure. Okay, no fundamentals as well, nothing. We need to trade it this way, otherwise things will not be working nicely. See, any seller who is selling the market right now, I'm not sure why is selling, maybe the smart money. But even if it come back down till here, can take another bounce again from right here, and the next time if it break below, then it's gone. So let's wait for it. Pure technical, one sell trade is closed, now a buy. So let's see, market slow down. Okay, see, all of, like, it was nicely dropping, all of a sudden why it slow down? Because my friend, there is this smart money area. Most people ignore the smart money area. So why will someone be doing that? And if this trend line is broken, then we will be waiting for a sell trade opportunity. Let's see, the exit plan will be there. Okay, it's all in front of us. As soon as it break above this zone, now it will then be gaining further bullish momentum. This zone, you see this one, as far as it is below this, then it is still in a risk. Just one moment, I will be right back. So my friends, trading is not that difficult. Okay, these channels, you know, those channels, YouTube channels and different people, they make it complicated for us. Yes, my friends. Oh wow, very nicely going up. When you daily come to the stream, daily when you come to the stream, you will be learning something. Anyways, let's see a little bit the euro dollar as well, what it did. Wow, it got a rejection from right here. It can nicely drop now, but let's see. So then the gold is also seems like it will be further dropping maybe. Okay, this is a scalping trade, otherwise it can further drop. Okay, let's see, maybe another sell right here. Let's do it slightly precisely with a Fibonacci number, and the Fibonacci comes right here. Okay, so the actual move can be till here. The actual selling that we need to see will be right here, and this will be the take profit. Simple. $146 pips of a take profit will be. It close above this zone, so it means it should continue further higher. These other instruments tomorrow I will be adding them, okay? And this GBPUSD, anyone for business partnerships may contact me. Yes. This quarter, like in these 3 months, delivered nicely a flat 32%. So flat 32% in 3 months just from the euro US dollar. I think that's good. And the investors were safe as well. Their money was safe as well. Everything was safe. Wow. Look at gold US dollar, my friend. It can continue further high, but I don't want to chase it. Okay. I just don't want to chase it. How many of you are holding this trade with me? I mean, it can continue very high as well. Okay, the take profit is hit 164 pips. At least, like, it can be like people are also holding it as this. If I tell you on the H1, this is, but the H1 plan seems a little bit risky to me. Otherwise, people are holding it with the anticipation of 48.20. But I'm not. I just want to leave it here. See on the 15-minute. The actual intraday take profit I have is right here. Okay, that is hit. Then this, and then obviously will be somewhere above 47.80. Let me do it a little bit precisely for you with the ABCD method. So my friends, I will recommend you one thing. Just learn it, okay, yourself. Just don't rely on anyone. Even if one trades for you, not everyone is like me, but even if one trades for you, even if I trade, I also have no emotions, nothing. So try to be the master of your own money. This trade hit its TP. This TP is hit now. No selling from here. No. And I think this is enough for today. Let's see. When we tomorrow wake up, it can be near 47.80. But this other plan, this one, this is way too long term. It can be, since this is gold. And yes, 264 pips booked. What else I want? Oh, some of my members are still holding with that anticipation, because they think even if this stop loss is gone, no problem, but they want to earn. That's also fine. Everyone has their own choice, but I exited right here. So for premium one-on-one sessions, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that is given in the description down below. Okay, so take care. My target is hit, okay, for the day. Take a lot of care of yourself. I will see you tomorrow. Try to come every day to these streams, and you will be making money. You will be uh, uh, learning new things. At the end, let's see your comments. Loki Victor, how are you doing, my friend? I'm doing very well, thank you. Yes, this is euro gold. Try to, those of you who have joined me right now, try to uh, rewind the session a little bit and watch it, okay? For scalping, well, yes, don't see it as this, but for scalping, since this is now gone with 160 4 pips it can come back down, then go back up. These are the levels. You can just copy and paste them on your chart and trade accordingly. But as far as it is above 47.15, it will be going back up, and this will be our statement. So if you don't understand this statement, then anyone who don't understand this statement may definitely need to go for mentorship to learn this strategy. Otherwise, I see gold completely bullish, right? So this was the session. Thank you so much everyone for being right here with me. Looking forward to see you tomorrow as well in the stream. Take care and goodbye.